Hi folks, I'm pleased you're interested in SiNiScript. SiNiScript is a list of SiNi functions anyone with a little MAXScript knowledge can use in creating their scripts to make new tools incorporating our code. If you are an experienced MAXScripter, you'll likely know how to use these functions in your work. If you're a novice or interested in learning MAXScript, SiNi recommends you check out the excellent MAXScripting tutorials at the website lets3dsmax.com. However, coding is not everyone's bag. Most of you likely got into computer graphics to make artwork, right? Be it for ArcViz, games design, or VFX. However, there are huge benefits to knowing a little MAXScript or Python. One of the main features of 3ds Max, and one that sets it apart from almost every other DCC 3D software, is its ability to customize and write tools for it. You only need to check out websites such as ScriptSpot or the Autodesk App Store to discover there are thousands of add-ons available. Commercially, most large studios will typically employ software engineers to tailor their software pipeline to exact workflow requirements. It's an overhead expense that not many smaller studios can justify. SiNi see things differently. Many of our customers are freelance to small business scale. Of course, I'm not forgetting our large multinational customers. However, they too don't stack up to VFX or game studios in terms of size of their dedicated development team. I mean, some of these studios have twice as many software engineers as all of Autodesk's media and entertainment division. Food for thought, right? When we started rolling out the plugins, some customers suggested the desire to add their favorite SiNi functions to their own in-house workflow scripts. We thought this was a great idea, and took it one step further by exposing the function code to allow anyone with a little MAXScript knowledge to write their own tools. Don't get me wrong, we're not giving away the C++ code itself, but allowing coders to add a callback to run our functions, opening up exciting possibilities to everyone, from freelancers to studios. To help you get started, the SiNiScript includes sample Max scripts with the selected SiNiScript inserted, presenting you with an easy way of learning how to incorporate the code. I'll now walk through the tool and demonstrate how to use it. I'll keep things simple. Let's say you want to create a script that incorporates a few functions from Forensic. Open the top drop-down and click on Forensic. Then, on the drop-down below this, you'll see a list of Forensic functions you can use. The first one I'll include is delete all CAD blocks. When selected, you'll notice the data below updating. Now, to start my MAXScript, I'll head to the bottom buttons and click on the Send Script to Editor. What this will do is open the script editor and paste the example script shown above into it. Okay, so in Editor, let's take a look. We actually don't need much of this code because we're going to create our own. To demonstrate this script, back in SiNiScript, click on Run Sample Script, and you'll see a small dialog box pop up. This is the script. Now, in Editor, you see the section labeled Rollout. I'll delete all of this, as it's only used to build the dialog box. In fact, all I need to keep is this small string of code. If you look back in SiNiScript in the function definition, we list this for reference so you know what to copy for the code to work. Right, so the first part's done. This script will run now if you hit Ctrl-E. But all it will do is check if your scene has CAD blocks and delete them. I want to add more to this so it performs more tasks. Back in SiNiScript, I'll select another function. Remove all groups. This time, I'm not going to send all the code to Editor, but rather, I'll just copy the function definition from the sample. Paste this into the editor on the next line. And now, I'll repeat this a few more times with other functions. I think I'll add some of the deletes. Delete all note tracks. Delete all motion clips. Delete all animation layers. When done, it's time to try it out. Hit Ctrl-E to run. The script will process the scene. Brilliant. Now, if you want to use this again, you can save it or drag it to the toolbar or create a macro script. However, I'm not going to cover macro scripts in this video. That's it for SiNiScript. I recommend all artists learn the basics as it will improve your workflow. In my next video, I'll discuss Preflight, our scene prep and export plugin. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.